I picked up a new little palette. I don't know if it's new. I haven't done any research on it, but I was at my Walmart today. Now, odds are if it's at my Walmart, it's going to be at your Walmart too, because my Walmart hardly has anything. So I thought maybe I would do a swatch video on this. Let me put up these brushes so I don't, oops. Okay. This is Marilyn Monroe Palette by Hard Candy. Look how cute. It's got her picture right there. Look at the colors. Isn't that just a gorgeous palette? Oh my God. When I saw it, I about died. And then I also picked up, also by Hard Candy, I picked up some translucent powder to put underneath. And it's white, and I've been looking for white too. So, ooh. I'm not going to swatch that, of course. So I haven't even opened this yet. And I'll probably have to, tape or something. But I saw a lot of videos of swatches that people do, and I guess people get a lot out of that. I really don't understand why people do swatches. I just don't understand. And this is really hard to get into because I think it's got plastic on it. I can't see. I'm telling y'all. I turned the age I am, and now all of a sudden I can't see hardly anything. So it is, I can feel some tape on there or something. Yep, there's tape. I knew it. Let's see, I should have had this open before I did this. I got it. Okay, look how cute her picture is right there. Okay, so I'm gonna have to have my glasses on because I can't see the names of these things. And the names are not written. My little boy is this one. I feel like Annie Potts on Ghostbusters. Okay, so this is the Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe palette. The first color is called White Dress. And it's this one right here. The light's coloring it out. White. There. It's like translucent powder, huh? There. Okay. Then the next color next to it is Girl's Best Friend. So, what? Yeah. Which one is this? Yo, I can't read. I cannot see. Yeah. This next one right here is Girl's Next Friend. Girl's Best Friend. You see it? These aren't looking like they got good pigment in them, but I'm sure we can make a really pretty look. The next color is called Pin Up. Like that. The next one, get my towel on my lap. The next one is the rosy color, and it's a base shade, and it's called Box Office. It's got pretty little roses on it. Pretty good, I think. The next one is called Spotlight. And that's real pretty. See it? Okay, this red one is called Iconic. And then the next one is called Leading Lady. And then this last one is called Caviar. It's black. Okay, so there are the colors of the Marilyn Monroe by Hard Candy palette. Take those off. I can't see. I just can't see. But anyway, I think we can make something cute out of this. I will do something tomorrow, and hopefully it will turn out great. So there is, trying to make sure you can get a good look at it. Can you see it? There we go. There we go. How people do these palette things. That's good. Okay. Thanks, guys. If you like this video, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe at the bottom. Have a good night.